Hey pandas, how are you? Today is Monday. Today is also our first day of virtual school. I'm excited to be with you in this way today and for the rest of the week. I can't see you, but you know what? I can imagine you in my head. So I'm going to sit for just a minute. Maybe you can too. Put your finger on your head and imagine all the pandas in the classroom together. Yeah, we're all there. And this week, together, we're going to work on the letter G. Okay, so make sure when you get ready to do this today that you have a card that looks like this. It doesn't look exactly like this, but it looks pretty much like this. And then that you also have your Play-Doh, okay? All right, now that you have all your supplies, I want you to take a look at this letter G on the table. Remember that when we make our letters that we have shapes like a big curve, a big line, and little lines, right? Okay, well let's see what the G is. It's a big curve, a little line, and then another little line. All right, you know what? Now let's take the card that you have and trace the letter G together. Start at the grasshopper, which is in the corner. Grasshopper begins with the letter G, which is kind of exciting. Now take your finger and put it on the arrow and trace one big curve and then a little line. Then pick up your finger and do another little line. Okay, let's do it again all together. Start at the grasshopper. Grasshopper starts with the letter. All right, it starts with the letter G, right? And trace big curve, little line, pick up your finger, another little line. Okay, great. Now let's do this with our Play-Doh and make snakes to make a big curve and two little lines. All right, let's try the big curve first, okay? So I'm going to make my Play-Doh. I'm going to divide it up into probably 3 pieces because I have a big curve, a little line, and then another little line. Make one of them into a ball and then roll out your snake. You might have to use 2 hands and use pressure to get your snake to roll out. If it gets kind of skinny in the middle, you can separate your hands and roll together with your hands side by side. You can see how I'm doing it like this. All right, let's see if this is one big curve. I'm going to start at the arrow and I'm going to go down and make a curve. Yep, one big curve. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller piece of Play-Doh and make a little line. Same thing, 2 hands on top of one another, rolling back and forth to make the little line. All right, let's see if that makes a little line. It does, and it's actually a little long, so I'm gonna tear it a little bit. So now I have a big curve and a little line, and I need another little line. All right, here's the next little line. And put my other little line right there. And I have the letter G. Let's see, is it the letter G? It is. Big curve, little line, and then another little line. Awesome, we made the letter G together today. I am so excited. Yay! And tomorrow, we'll cut out the letter G. I hope you have a great day. Practice tracing those letter G's today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.